Good morning children. Welcome to today's EVS class. Myself Kavita Shri here. We are doing the chapter Year to Year. In yesterday's class we have learned that animals have ears of different size and shape. In today's class we will learn about animals whose ears cannot be seen. Look at this picture. Can you see the ears of these birds? No. But how do birds hear sounds? Birds have ears that cannot be seen. Birds have tiny holes on both sides of their head. These holes are covered with feathers. These holes help the birds to hear the sounds. In lizards and crocodiles also, there are tiny holes on their heads which help them to hear. Frog ears cannot be seen, but they have ear holes located directly behind their eyes. Fish don't have ears that we can see, but they have ear pads inside their heads. They pick up sounds in the water through their bodies and their internal ears. Do insects have ears? Yes, but they don't look like ours. Ears nor they are found on the head. Ears are found on different parts of the body in different insects. For example, a grasshopper's ears are on the sides of their abdomen under the wings. Ants hear by feeling vibrations in the ground through their feet. How do snakes hear? Snakes have no visible ear, so they don't hear sounds as we do. They have apparatus for hearing located inside their heads attached to their jaw bones, which help them to feel the vibrations of air and ground. So children, today we have learned how the animals whose ears cannot be seen can hear different sounds. Now, try to answer the following questions. First question is, how do birds hear sounds? Second question, fill in the blanks. Part A, lizards and crocodiles hear sounds with the help of dash on their heads. Part B, ear holes of frogs are located behind their dash. Part C, ants feel vibrations through their dash. Part D, a grasshopper's ears are on the sides of their dash. Try these questions and learn the answers with their spellings. That's all for today. Thank you.